Can you understand English? Yes, I can understand English. Why are you upset? Because my phone doesn't work. How old are you? I am 30 years old. Do you like black coffee? I don't like black coffee. I love him. Does he love you? Can you drive a car? I can't drive a car. What's going on here? Nothing special. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. What are you doing? I am reading books. Will you go to the market? Yes, I will go to the market. Are you married? No, I am single. Are you done? I am done. Is this heavy? Yes, it is. Where did you go? I went to see a movie. Why did this happen? I don't know. Whose car is this? This is my car. How was your day? It was good. Thank you.